What's going on, guys? I'm Weird Ryan. This is the world's largest toilet, and today we got Doritos. Which kind of Doritos are your favorite? I like nacho Doritos. What about Cool Ranch? Do you like Cool Ranch, Tori?
Yeah, I like Cool Ranch.
Which one's better?
I like the taco ones.
We're gonna do a little taste test. No, they're pretty good. We got the nachos. Yeah, it is better. Alright, I'm pouring, man. Let's do it. Oh. Oh. Alright, I'm getting in.
Yeah, he is.
Oh. Oh, that's cold.
Come on.
It smells like Doritos. I don't want Doritos in my pants. Oh, it smells like ranch. Oh.
Get in.
Oh, I'm in. Oh. Yeah. All right. Oh, I just farted. All right, guys. I think it's time to flush it. This is disgusting. All right. 3, 2, 1. There we go. How many Doritos are in there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Move your hand.
Oh! Dang. I ate those. Get them all. Eat them. Eat them up. Eat them. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want me or Tori to get into next. Comment something gross, we might do it. And check out my Instagram, it'll be linked below. And my other channel, it'll be linked below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.